What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today is finally the first day it's not freaking freezing in Houston. It's been like in the 20s and 30s and teens, and I know some of you guys live up north and that's normal for y'all, but it's not normal down here. So we've been freezing our freaking booties off. So it's finally 59 degrees outside. It feels good. And I have to be honest, I've been keeping a secret from you guys. That's a thumbnail. I've been keeping a secret from you guys. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know, basically Madison and I, we have a fur baby now. We already have Nala, she's still here, but we have a new one. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have already seen him. If you don't follow me on Instagram, well, first off, what are you doing? Go follow me on Instagram. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, we got a new fur baby. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog I've always wanted. And we finally got our own place. We figured, you know what, let's make a decision and let's get a puppy. So, without further ado, let me introduce y'all to Bear. Hi, Big Bear. So this is Bear. Here he is. So this is Bear. He is about 15, 16 weeks old now. He is an Australian Shepherd. He's a full-size Australian Shepherd. And this is a dog that I've wanted for a long time. Some friends of ours that we're really good friends with have always wanted one too, so we went and got him. And then some really good friends of ours, they have his sister, her name's Lana. So, but this is Bear. Everybody, Bear, say hi to everybody. Use your manners. So he's super cool looking. So Bear, hey, look at me. So he's got one gray eye, that's right there, and he's got one eye that's half brown, half blue. And he's got tons of energy, tons of running around. He literally never stops running. He's being calm right now for the camera. Good boy. But you wanna go to the park? You wanna go to the park? You wanna go play with the dogs? You wanna go run and get dirty? That's why we have towels in the car. You wanna go get dirty? All right, so this is Bear, and we're gonna go to the park. So I'll see you guys at the park, and you guys can see all kinds of other fun dog stuff. We're gonna do all kinds of videos with Bear because he's a good boy. No, don't you drink my drink. Don't do it. But anyways, guys, this is my dog. Go follow me on Instagram. He's got tons of pictures on Instagram. And yeah, so here's Bear. Here's my Aussie. He's a good dog. He's a little bit of a turd. Actually, he's a bit of a turd, but he's okay. So, all right, let's go play. You ready to go play? I'm ready to go play. Let's go. Alright, now I had to hunt you down, and you're filthy. God, your breath stinks. That was it. Successful playtime? Alright, guys, thanks for watching the video. Again, this is Bear. You're breathing all up on my face, dude. You got my car dirty! Sit down, come on. Good boy. Anyways, guys, so that's Bear. He's a madman, but he's a good dog. So, you guys will see plenty more videos of Bear, because he's awesome. Anyways, guys, so that's Bear in all of his glory. So he's a good dog. So if you guys want to see more videos of Bear, let me know. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video as always. I love you guys, and until the next video,